In this world, no man can help you. If God doesn't help you, those who put their trust in God will never be put to shame. But those who put their trust in princes and in kings and in men, they are usually disappointed. But those who trust in the Lord, those whose hope is in the Lord, they are like Mount Zion that cannot be moved, that cannot be shaken. I don't know what you're going through. I don't know the condition. But one thing I know is when you put your trust in God, He will not put you to shame. He will not disappoint you. He will not forsake you. Those who put their trust in man get disappointed. But when you put your trust in God, He will see you through. He will bring you out victorious. Hallelujah.